Meaning of dust cover.
Dust cover.
Dust cover.
Dust cover.
Dust cover. A dust cover is a protective covering used to protect an object from dust. It is commonly used for electronic devices, musical instruments, and furniture. Dust covers are usually made of a lightweight fabric material and come in various sizes and shapes to fit the object they are protecting. By covering an object with a dust cover, it helps to prevent dust, dirt, and other contaminants from accumulating on the surface. This helps to reduce the amount of cleaning needed and prolongs the lifespan of the object.